Hello, hello, hello. Man, I look rough. Yes, I am tired. Kind of pulled at 24. I woke up from it. Got my rest though, but when the money calls, if you can do it safely, without hurting or harming anyone around you, the money calls. So, the point of this video is just like the title says, I made over $100 an hour being a yard jockey. Now, I am not endorsed by the company that I did this with, so therefore, you can just use common sense and figure out how, who, where, and when. But here's what I will tell you. This yard jockey thing that I do, and I think I've done this like four or five times now. It's like 5. What you need to know is that this information will not be relayed to you on a certain load board. You have to get emailed about it. You know, a lot of good stuff usually doesn't hit load boards, and usually once it hits the load boards, usually you're more likely to get your money if you play the game and get it towards the last minute when it needs to be delivered or picked up by, and that's how usually you can get some of the top dollar. But this one particular thing that I do does not pop up on their load board. You have to be emailed about it. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and cue the footage right about now. Well, we got her in there. We're going to go ahead now, press drop in the spot. All right, next clip. All right, y'all, so it's going to be some nighttime footage, but here you go. Here is yard jockeying with a long nose truck. So we're going to go into this spot right here, spot 352. So let's see how this works. Nobody's coming, okay. Bring that nose up to the fence. All right. Now, here's how we're gonna have to back this big boy up. Might be able to work that. Straighten that out. So we're working with limited space here. Alrighty. There we go. go. That's what we were looking for. Okay. So let's go ahead now. So you guys can still see everything. Okay. Let's go ahead and go drop this trailer. Let me show you what we're working with. So we're working with that fence all the way back to this right here. This is the building. This side only has the fence. The other side actually has trailers. So hopefully, shortly, I will be able to not upload, but attach a clip of pulling out on the other side. Yeah, so here you go. Fence here. Yeah, not too much space, but we're making it work though. Alrighty. Get ready for the next clip. All right, y'all, I'm back. Hooked up to our trailer now. Let's go ahead and get her on over to the right dock door, which is dock door 19. Straighten me out. Dock door 19. We're gonna straighten this trailer out. One thing I can't stand doing is backing with an improper setup. Let's get ready to get this together. Okay. Dock door right there, properly lined up. Okay, good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead now and get ready to get her in there. Go real quick. Let the yard jockey go real quick. Go ahead and go on past so we can get out of my way. We're about set up. So watch ourselves on that side. We can get her whipped on it here. Come out a little bit. Came in just a little bit too high. All right, we'll straighten that back out. Okay. We all make mistakes. Too much bend. Yeah. Make myself look like a rookie again. They're doing this all day with no effort. Pull forward real quick. There we go, rookie mode. Rookie mode unlocked. Straighten that out real quick. Okay. And there we have it. We are now at the dock door. I'll pause that so we don't have no problems with the music tip. We talking about some, you put our music in it. Get ready to pull out here. Let him get ready to go first. Pass first once he goes past. I don't know why he has a mask on while he's yard jockeying, but screw it. Let's get on about this spot. All right, know the spot I'm going to. My handheld tells me all that. Parking spot 328. So we're about to head on over to parking spot 328. And we're going to whip this bad boy up in there. I love it when we're cruising together. The cruising I'm doing is right around this lot. Oh yeah. I think I'm making more mileage. I mean, I do some miles right here in the lot, going back and forth. Most of my mileage is probably me going to and from home. So there's a little bump real quick. Oh yeah, make sure I can still see me good. All right, cool. Oh, it's music to my ears. Listen to that Borg Warner talk to me. There we go, another bump. There we go. Up. Oh, there we go. All right, we're going to spot 328. So we gotta go a little ways down. Wish I could have y'all jam with me. I'm jamming my D'Angelo, but I don't know. They might try to tell me that if I upload the video, I don't know if I'm allowed to use the content from D'Angelo. So better safe than sorry. So we got 328. We are looking at 329. Aha, 328. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and straighten her out. Now I could definitely put her somewhere else to avoid it, but I want you guys to see the whole thing. So let's go ahead. My battery's getting low, so 328. So I'll go right up here, right by that. So I like the difficulty. All right, y'all. Let's drop her in reverse so we can get her up in the spot with ease. Door open, and let's roll. Okay, 328. Hard to see a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and get it. There we go. Now, only because I'm anal, we're gonna pull forward. I don't have to pull forward, I'm within the lines, but I want the trailer to not be crooked. So, Should be great here. Our little bump stop any minute now. Hold on, is this a door? Oh no. From wall, okay. Hey, look at that parking spot. Look, I'm gonna find whatever it told me. Okay. And set the brakes. We're done just like the road test.